Ciao! A good risotto must be rich in flavor, al dente, and creamy. Let's see how to make it following 6 clear steps.
For this recipe you will need oyster mushrooms, chestnut mushrooms, an onion, dry mushrooms. The exact quantities you will find in the description box. Dice the mushrooms and mince the onion. Step 1. Select the rice. The final result will depend on the starch content of the chosen rice type. Step 2. Use a good stock base. Watch my video to learn how to do a homemade meat stock. Add the dry mushrooms into the stock and bring it to the boil. Step 3. Toast the rice. Start to toast the rice without washing it. Continue to toss it to avoid burning. When it gets warm, add onions, olive oil and mushrooms. Then douse them with white wine. I personally use Martini for the sweet taste. Step 4. Add the stock. When the chosen alcohol evaporates, pour the stock over the rice. I use a mushroom powder to boost the flavor. Season it with salt. From now on, it must stay covered with some liquid at all times. Step 5. Stir frequently to release the starch from the rice grain. Keep adding the stock. After 15-20 minutes, your risotto should be ready. To check if it's cooked, cut the grain in half. The center should be a bit white and firm to the bite. Switch off the heat and leave it aside for a few minutes. Step 6. Mantecatura. Add cold butter and parmesan and stir vigorously to create a creamy texture. Add some more stock if necessary. When silky and smooth, it's ready. I hope you enjoyed the video. See you next time.